What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to connect the Evernote with the Claude AI. So for that, the process is going to be very simple and to the point. So first, in order to connect the Claude AI with the any platform, for example, that is Evernote, we need an MCP router that can actually route the Claude AI towards that platform. For that, there are connectors. So in the connectors, if we go to the add connectors option and go to the browse connector, you just have to wait a few seconds till it open up and you just have to write Evernote. But as for the moment, there is no connector available. But don't lose hope because there always a way if there is a will. So all you have to do is to go to the manage connectors. Here you just need to add connectors and add a custom connector. Name it Evernote. And for the server, I have already got the MCP server routing, which can connect without any sort of additional authentication or API key. So by just clicking it and getting it added to the connector, you will be able to add connector. So here it will open up. You're not connected to Evernote yet. So just go ahead and click on connect and it will take you to another page. You just have to log in and then connect it with that specific account. For example, let me just go ahead and pull up my details. It will take a few seconds so we can actually go and redirect ourselves to that Evernote connection authentication page. Here you just have to add the email connection or email address of your Evernote and then you will be able to get yourself connected. Simple as that. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.